Like, I think the process is going on well. This is a fairly big polling station, over the 1,300 registered voters. So I do expect, I know of course that most people came in the morning. This is where I did my last rally, and I gave a clarion call to them. This is where I was born. This school is actually built on my great-grandfather's land. I made a clarion call to them to make sure everyone who is eligible turns out to vote. So from what I can see, from the boxes, from the ballots that have been cast, I would want to believe that it's going on. But we still have about 7 hours to go. So I still expect many more people. There are quite a number of assisted voters. I do hope that those who are assisting them will help them to make the right decision, because this is a very momentous occasion for us as a country, for us as a county, and every one of us, nearly 50 million plus citizens of this republic, and even equally more important, the nearly 1 million residents of Siaya County. So yeah, so far I can say it's so good. The machines could have been faster, but I do appreciate that the elected officials are trying the best they could. At this moment, probably the only thing I can say is that so far, from what I can see, I've not had any major incidents on this particular polling center. I would want to make a call to peace for everyone. Each election must produce winners and losers. In a matter of fact, elections produce more losers than winners. I would want to see a peaceful process, a fair, credible, and transparent process where those who have won can have the humility to embrace those who have lost. Because at the end of the day, for example, I am vying to be the governor of Siaya County. Of course, I am casting my vote in the hope that tomorrow I'll be declared the governor. But, and be that as it may, and hoping that that is what comes out, it is my wish that I'll reach out. If the Almighty God grants me this seat, I'll reach out